So, in previous section, Sheikh Justice Usmani has said that that capital of running musharka can be tolerated, anonymity of capital can be tolerated till the end of the running musharka maturity period of running musharka, and he said that this was the opinion of Hanafi scholars, but we have discussed in detail that it is not a Hanafi opinion, because the Hanafi says that this should be determined at the time of first purchase of the running musharka joint business. We have discussed it in the previous case. Now, Sheikh Justice Usmani bring in other evidence that why we keep capital anonymous till the end of the maturity of the running musharka. Why we can do that? He took an example of mudarba based saving deposits. तो शेख जैसे उस्मानी साहब एक और मिसाल लेके आते हैं कि हम कैपिटल इब्तदा में तय नहीं कर सकते रनिंग मुशारका के अंदर, उसकी वजह क्या है, वो क्यों, वो कहते हुए क्यास करते हैं और वो एक एग्जांपल लेके आते हैं मुदारबा डिपॉजिट से. And he says that looking at the saving deposits, we see that because the depositor in saving account on daily basis he withdraws money and he deposit when he wants. So we cannot be sure that how much amount will be at the end of the maturity of one financial period of मुदारबा बेस्ड सेविंग डिपॉजिट्स. हमें ये पता नहीं होगा कि 3 महीने के आखिर में जाकर कितना मुदारबा कैपिटल होगा कि जिसके ऊपर उसको प्रॉफिट दिया जाए. तो ये पता चलता है 3 महीने के एंड पे जाकर कि एक डिपॉजिटर का टोटल कितना पैसा पड़ा रहा. तो और अगर हम ये कहें कि भी नहीं, मुदारबा के अंदर भी इब्तदा में ही आपको बताना पड़ेगा डिपॉजिटर को कि उसकी कितनी अमाउंट पड़ी रहेगी, तो उसका नुकसान ये होगा कि डिपॉजिटर जो है वो इस काबिल ही नहीं होगा कि वो अमाउंट को निकलवा सके फाइनेंशियल पीरियड के एंड से पहले पहले. एक डिपॉजिटर आ जाए, so it would not be easy for depositor to withdraw money from his saving account if we put a condition that he deposit his money and and he should not be allowed to withdraw his money from his account for 3 months. So it is then it will be very difficult decision for the depositors to attract the depositor. So that is why we allow customer that they sh- they on running basis, on daily basis, they withdraw money, they can deposit money. So by the end of the financial period of mudarba, say 3 months, at the end we will calculate how much money is was in remain in accounts and deposits. Then we will give the profit on that amount which were kept with the bank. वो कहते हैं कि हम जो है ना आखिर में जाकर अंदाजा लगाएंगे कि कितनी अमाउंट किस डिपॉजिटर की पड़ी रही है और जितनी अमाउंट जिस डिपॉजिटर की पड़ी रही होगी उसको प्रॉफिट देंगे. सो फॉर दैट again there was a problem that on what basis you will give them the profit. Then they said the daily product basis. The daily product basis mean they will calculate per rupee per day profit. वो पर रुपी प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करेंगे कि लोगों का कितना पैसा था, कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ, कितने दिन बने. इस हिसाब से वो पर रुपी पर डे प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. देन दे विल गिव द प्रॉफिट टू द डिपॉजिटर्स ऑन देयर डेली बैलेंस बेसिस. If a person who have in January 1 lakh rupee, then he will be given the profit of per rupee per day profit. For example, let me explain here. Let's say there are depositors. 1, 2, they are the depositors. Say 10 depositor. And this is January 1. Okay. January 1. Then January 2. Again the same 10 depositors. हम ये सपोज कर रहे हैं कि यही 10 depositors हैं. Then January 3. Again the 10 depositors. Same 10 depositors. Same people. Okay. This guy on January 1st, there was this amount, this amount, this amount, this amount, this amount. Very next day, people withdraw money, some withdrawals, and someone deposited. Okay. Now they will find per rupee per day profit. Let's assume per rupee per day profit was 0.10 7. This is per day per rupee profit. It's mean that this will be found. इसका मतलब ये होगा कि भी 0.007 rupee. Discussing that on daily basis, for example, on January 1, this was the balance of Mr. 1, and this was the on 2nd January, this was the balance, and on 3rd January, this was the balance 0. So in Islamic banking, because the bank, these depositors are mudarib, rabul mal, and Islamic bank have not sure that how much money these depositors will keep how much money they will keep in their deposits as a rabul mal. So they use per day per rupee profit. For example, this 0.007 mean that 1 rupee has earned 0.007 pesos on per day basis. So they calculate this one and multiply on daily basis balances. So this is the 70 rupee earned on 10,000 rupee for just 1st January. तो 1 जनवरी को इस बंदे के 10,000 रुपए ने 70 रुपए कमाए. The 2nd January, he deposited money and his account was 52,365 rupee, and this balance was this per day per rupee profit was multiplied with it, and he earned 366 rupee. And the 3rd January, his amount was 0, so that is why he earned 0. So in this way, Islamic banks on daily product basis, they distribute the profit to the depositors on daily balance basis. Why they use this method? They say that we don't know that how much money each depositors will keep in their deposits for 3-month financial period. So how it is not possible for us to give them a fixed percentage that how much profit we will distribute him. So that is why we will find, we calculate daily balance on daily balance basis per day per rupee profit, and we distribute it on daily balances. तो ये तरीकाकार है डेली प्रोडक्ट बेसिस का, क्योंकि इसमें पता नहीं होता कि डिपॉजिटर्स के कितने पैसे 3 महीने के तक पड़े रहेंगे, क्योंकि वो रोजाना की बुनियाद पर पैसे निकलवाता भी है, रोजाना की बुनियाद पर डिपॉजिट भी करवाता है, तो आखिर तक। तो शेख उस्मानी साहब का कहना ये है, वो ये कहते हैं कि जनाब रनिंग मुशारका के अंदर भी तो यही होता है कि एक आदमी रोजाना की बुनियाद पर बैलेंस निकलवाता है और फिर डिपॉजिट भी करवाता है, तो हमें पता नहीं होता रनिंग मुशारका के आखिर में वो कितना पैसा रखेगा। तो हालांकि अच्छा, फिर वो कहते हैं कि जो मुदारबा के अंदर भी तो हमें नहीं पता होता कि रब्बुल माल ने कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट इब्तदा में इस्लामिक बैंक को दी है, उसकी भी तो इन्वेस्टमेंट का पता हमें मुदारब डिपॉजिट के 3 महीने के पता आखिर में जाके चलता है। तो वहां पर तो हम टॉलरेट कर लेते हैं कि जनाब कैपिटल जो है वो अननोन रहा, द कैपिटल रिमेन्ड अननोन इन मुदारबा डिपॉजिट टिल द मेच्योरिटी ऑफ मुदारबा, सो एज have tolerated there the anonymity of capital, same as we can tolerate anonymity of capital in running musharka. तो हमें भी यहां पर भी टॉलरेट कर लेना चाहिए। शेख उस्मानी wanted to say that running the basic background was the same. The question was that why we keep capital in running musharka anonymous till the maturity. Sheikh Usmani took example from Mudarba deposits. He says that like in Mudarba deposits, because we don't know how much money depositor will keep in his deposit and maintain for 3 months, we are not sure about it. And but we have allowed in Mudarba deposit to keep Mudarba capital anonymous, unknown, uncertain till the end of the maturity period. We allowed it in Mudarba accounts because if we do not allow to the customer to withdraw his money or to deposit his money on daily basis, then the customer will not come to us. To attract the customer, we give him facility of withdrawals and deposits on daily basis. If we allow him to withdraw his money on daily basis, then it is not possible for us to be certain, to be sure about how much capital he will keep for the 3 months. So for this purpose, the next question was that then on what basis you will distribute profit in distributors? Then the solution was given that daily product basis. Per day, per rupee profit will be found, and the profit will be distributed on daily balance basis. So nowadays, Islamic banks are practicing on daily product basis. Now Sheikh Usmani says that as we have tolerated this uncertainty in capital till the maturity of the financial period in mudarbas, then why we cannot tolerate this uncertainty of keeping uncertainty in capital investment shares till the maturity of running musharka? So as we tolerated in mudarba, we can tolerate in running musharka.